एवरीवन, ग्रीटिंग्स फ्रॉम प्रवेगा एजुकेशन। कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप आप लोगों की प्रिपरेशन नेट दिसंबर 2024 और गेट 2025 के लिए काफी अच्छी चल रही होगी। और मुझे पता है आप लोग दिन भर बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हो एंड you just want to intensify your preparation right now. So students, we are very thrilled that we are going to announce our crash course, which is one of the popular crash course in whole of country for CSIR NET December 2024 as well as GATE 2025. So students, I welcome all of you to join this particular crash course. Why this crash course is so important? Because this is not only crash course, this is quality improvement program. Why it is quality improvement program? Because we believe on learning and performance. We want to enhance your learning as well as your performance so that you can get success in your examination. So students, there are different components for this crash course. We will solve the PYQ, but we will not only solve the PYQ, rather we will revise all the concept from solving the PYQ. So this is all about the reverse engineering we are talking about. And then test series is the integral part. When we are talking about test series, we have one of the best test series in whole of the country for these examinations. So students, once you will give the test series, you will find you will find where you have to improve and how you can manage the time. So this test series will be benefited for you. And in that one particular thing is that what should be the strategy and tricks. So we will make a suitable strategy for different topics, how you have to approach the different problem, how you have to enhance your comprehension, how you have to just do the shortcut calculation in an efficient way, and what is the trend of examination. This is very important. So we will include the strategy as well as tricks into this particular crash course. So then this crash course is 1 month duration, which is going to start from 20th November 2024. So students, again I am going to welcome all of you to join this crash course. This is a wonderful course and it will surely benefit you. And if you want more about this, you can just call this number. This number is 892-075-9559. So this is our official number. You can find Satish sir at this number and you can just discuss more about this particular crash course. So students, if you want to success, you have to beat competition, and competition is obviously very tough and very narrow. So what you have to do? You have to fight for each and every marks. You have to fight for each and every marks, as well as you have to excel each and every day. So students, don't do this thing. Why? Because test series is the integral part of this crash course. So what will happen when you will join this particular crash course? We will give you test series before and you will start giving test series right now. So what will happen? You will collect all the different type of doubts, and when we will go for the crash course, then what you will do? You can easily clear all these doubts from solving the previous year questions and different type of discussion with our well-known as well as well-experienced faculties. So students, welcome to Pravegaa and you should join this particular crash course. Thank you.